Ice cream lovers, got a pretty cool tool for you today. Very excited about it. There's a lot happening down here in St. Louis, Missouri. Thanks for joining us. Great to see you on this session of Scoop School. In the throes of actually moving facilities, just up the road to Wildwood. Again, very excited, bigger facility, bit of retail store action going on. Anyway, all to be revealed. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit the little bellity bell, because there's a lot of good things happening on the channel. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is ABW Innovations. Who are they, you might be asking? Well, Dan is probably one of the greatest inventors in the ice cream world alive today. So we're going to feature one of his tools on the Cool Tools section today. And for all of the information on his cool tools and a lot of the stuff that they do at ABW Innovations, click on the link below. Tell them that Steve said hello. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Now, the age-old question: how do you avoid getting holes in waffle cones? Aristotle himself wondered about how to not get holes in waffle cones. Well, Dan and the crew at ABW has invented this unit here called the Cone Genie. Shing! You know we love our shings here at Scoop School. It basically is an automated way to roll waffle cones without taking the kind of human error aspect to it. Pretty cool. You get all of the fresh baked waffle cone action so far as the visuality of it. You get the beautiful wafting of waffle cone aroma into the air, and the precision of making sure that all your waffle cones are consistent, because that's probably the biggest thing that ice cream shops who want to do waffle cones struggle with, is consistency. So let's have a look at this little baby in motion. This is the little fella here, the Cone Genie. I know they make two versions of it, a smaller one and a larger one. Talk to Dan about what one's available, what one suits you. A couple of functions on this thing. So you're going to put your waffle cone, completed waffle cone, straight out of the baker, right onto this tray here. And the nice thing is it kind of shows you exactly where to slide it in. A couple of things here, arrows here. When the unit's on, the roller basically takes it and rolls it in. And you've got two options here. You can either keep it on auto, which basically shuts the unit off at the end of a predetermined period of time, or you can leave it on run, which basically keeps it running until you turn it off. So you've got a little bit more control over how long you want it to roll in there. Cool thing, there's a little fan in the back here that's actually cooling the cone down straight after it's gone through the process, so it forms a little bit quicker. And then this tray actually slides, so you'll feed your cone in here. Once it's done, you'll slide it back this way, take the cone out, ready for the next one. It's a pretty cool little unit, so let's run some cones through and see how it goes. Cool tool. Did we do our, we don't think we did our Cool Tools jingle. Cool tools, cool tools, cool tools, cool tools. We really need to have a jingle. Hey, by the way, I think we've settled on a jingle for our other segment, Whiteboard Wednesday. Keep an eye out for the new Whiteboard Wednesday jingle. I think you're going to like it. But I do think we need to work on the cool tools, cool tools. Okay, so straight off the, oh look at that, it was on top. Straight off the baker, we're going to pop over here, load it right in here where the arrows are, hit on, and it basically just grabs the cone, takes it in and rolls it. I don't know what the period of time is here, Dan can tell you all about that stuff, but it'll basically keep rolling in here, the fan is running here, and it'll basically shut off and say, ding, your cone is ready. We'll slide this back, and here's the beauty of it all. It's formed almost perfectly. Cool tools. So anyway, what I'm saying is that the beauty of this is it can sit on the counter next to your waffle cone baker. And basically it's a seamless process of taking it from the baker to the Cone Genie. Now, a good, very successful Scoop School graduate, Trish Sense from Half Pint Creamery, had a video basically where she's got this little guy on a cart and she's got 4 waffle cone bakers going, and they're basically just take it off there, put it onto the cart, roll it, next one, next one, next one, next one. Speaking of next one, let's do another one. Righto, number 2. Straight off the baker, it's on the bottom this time, taking it over to the roller, put it right in here, set it going, and we're off again. Again, it just kind of grabs it and takes it in. Now, normal waffle cone rules apply. That basically batter as it comes off the baker needs to be supple enough so that it kind of grabs it and rolls. If it starts to crunch in here, as it does in your store, then it's not going to work. And again, the fan's blowing there, it's kind of cooling it down as it goes. It's a really easy way to do it. Does it take the romantic process of, you know, your own hand rolled? Yes, it does, but in the grand scheme of things, you can have 2 of these 3 things going, rolling it through this machine. And again, takes a lot of the guesswork and maybe the inconsistency out of making waffle cones for you and for your employees. Cool tools. So again, normal waffle cone rules apply. If the batter is too, or the actual pancake, as it were too brittle, too soft, the same results are going to happen if you're hand rolling or this. It'll crack, it'll tear. So you do need to make sure that the cone in and of itself is ready to be put through the machine here. But look, I'm a big fan of the theatre of ice cream. Now, whether you're making these waffle cones before the day opens, whether you're making waffle cones throughout the day, which I really think you should be doing, having a Cone Genie on the same table as the cone maker and basically taking it off, putting it on, rolling it out, people love that kind of stuff. People love to see the automation that happens into their food, how waffle cones are being made. I do remember going to an NRA show, a National Restaurant Show, many years ago, and we were rolling waffle cones there at the booth. And I was honestly surprised at how many people had no idea how a waffle cone was made. So in utilizing a good baker, a good roller, showing people the process, I think it's a great opportunity to be able to engage customers a little bit more. So that's a review on the cool tool, the Cone Genie. I give it 2 thumbs up. I think it works very well. Minimal holes, absolutely consistency all the way through. And for more information, the link is down below. Thank you, Dan, for sending us this unit. Keep a lookout for more cool tools that you can use in your ice cream shop. And again, look, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything. We're getting this content to you nice and easy, free, most days. That's about all we have. And just another little suggestion. Here is your subscribe button. Click it. Down here is a great video to watch. And over here, where is he? Come on into Scoop School. Click over here. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video. Cool tools, cool tools.